Okay, so the first thing I would say, this is all fine. This analysis is good. I'm perfectly happy with this, but I think you should go with the structure that they have given us, which means you need to start by talking about, not analyzing it, by talking about how the idea developed, how the idea came about for you. Because if you have a look here at the you need to start here, okay? An analysis of the key ideas behind your production and how the narrative developed. So it's more like, I wanted to make a film about blah-de-blah. I had an idea that I wanted it to be about the development of a relationship between two characters. So the key ideas behind your production, I realized I wanted to include basketball, whatever it might be. So tell the story of everything that happened before you actually started making it.
Okay.
Not everything, but give an idea of that. All right.
Like how would I like say it? So like each aspect between the trailer.
Not the trailer. We're talking about the short film, aren't we?
Yeah, not the trailer. I mean, so for like each scene, you say what the context is behind it.
No, for the whole project, you say, I decided to make a short film called blah blah. My initial idea was to have two characters who blah blah blah. I wanted to film in blah. I knew that I was going to use mostly external shots to use natural lighting. I wrote the dialogue, I wrote a screenplay and cast the film using a friend of mine. I wanted it to show a developing relationship, as I'm was interested in the dramatic potential of that kind of short film. Yeah? That's the first section. Key ideas behind your production, how the narrative developed. Yeah? Secondly, an analysis of how your film was influenced by some of the short films that you've watched. And so there, you go here. Okay, so that's the second section. And that's fine. And you need to talk about at least one more film, maybe two more films. Okay? Then, this.
Does that mean that I have to delete all of that and start again?
Why would you do that when you can just cut and paste it? So
it doesn't look like it's answering the first point, the first paragraph.
I don't know what you're saying. Look. Okay. That goes in there.
Okay.
That's that bit. That's that bit. Okay? Keep all of that. Keep that and add some more in. Explain how the ideas behind your film developed. Okay? And when you're analysing here, think about how you could chuck a bit of theory in. Think about whether there's a binary opposition. I don't think there really is, but you can think about how, if there's a disruption, like the argument is a Todorovian disruption, you could talk about that. Yeah.
Could you say Roland Barthes as well, like Enigma? So there's like something mysterious at the beginning.
Yeah. Go for it. Okay.
Okay.
So it's just a tiny bit of reorganization you're doing. Absolutely, I wouldn't take out anything that you've said here. It's all absolutely fine.
Okay.
Although I wouldn't say visually shown. I would say this is shown. Good. All right. Any issues?
Just about like how I'm gonna structure.
Well, there you go. I've just told you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to send you this. Hang on.